how to make everyone can see your stories on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make everyone can see your stories on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and go down until you find settings, and then go down, and here you will find posts. Click on it, and then who can see your stories, and here just click public and change, and now everyone can see your stories. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.